Hello everyone, this is Shruti Mistry and today we are going to talk about streams in Snowflakes. So, streams, what are streams? Streams can initially seem a bit complex, but we'll go through everything step by step. By then, you'll understand what streams are and how they work. So, first, why do we need streams? When building data warehouses, we typically use an ETL process to extract data from the source, like I have shown here, from the data source into the target table in our data warehouse. So this often includes delta loads where we only load new or changed records, uh, such as inserting new records, updating or deleting existing ones. Streams help us capture these changes efficiently. So, streams are objects that can track changes to a table, specifically data manipulation language (DML). Changes like inserts, updates, and deletes. This process is called change data capture, that is CDC. So let's break down how streams work. A stream is an object that is created on a table to capture any changes into that table. For example, this table, if I create a stream on this table, it will capture all the changes that these changes in it. So these changes are recorded as DML operations. When a DML operation occurs on the table, like insert, update, or delete, the changes are reflected in the stream object. So for example, if a table has three columns and there are changes like updates or inserts, the stream object will capture these changes, including the metadata about whether the data was inserted, updated, or deleted. So extra three columns are added into this uh, change, that like action. So this metadata adds minimal storage cost, ensuring cost efficiency. So creating a stream is a straightforward process. So importance of stream, that it helps in real time data processing and also in CDC. Now creating a stream, you have to put the command create or replace stream, your stream name, on table and the table that in which you have to capture your changes. And querying a stream is also possible by using the command select everything from my stream. Now the use cases are it can be used for data ingestion pipelines, keeping your data warehouse updated with minimal latency, and in ETL processes to streamline extract transform load operations, and also in real-time analytics to enable immediate insights from data changes. um, and think of a stream like a task queue. It holds changes that needs to be processed. Once processed, the changes are removed from the stream. So now best practices are regularly query streams, ensure timely processing of changes, monitor the streams, use Snowflake's built-in monitoring tools, handle stream metadata, and beware that the metadata and how it impacts queries. So while stream might seem complicated, they will become clear as you use them. So I hope you understood what are streams. Thank you.